Today I am going to be doing an overview of the Excel line sheet. It's an automated spreadsheet that allows you to automatically put data into your spreadsheet without having to do it in a slow fashion. I'll give you a quick overview. So basically this sheet comes with 5 tabs, and each tab has 250 lines that you could fill, or 30. It allows you to put in 248 items per tab, and it's very easy to use. So there's the 5 tabs that you can utilize to create your line sheet. Then it comes with the product list. Over here, what you would do is you would place information with your data. So I'm just gonna quickly show you that you could actually just add your data very quickly. And then I'm just gonna copy and paste this going all the way down. And then you have where you place your folder names. I've already added my folder names so that I could use it. And then let's see. Okay, so we're gonna start here. And I just want to say that this is my own product. It's available in my Etsy store. So a product that I am reviewing. So, and if you're okay with that, you could keep on watching. So I created this line sheet because I wanted to help people create the line sheets in seconds. Sometimes I see people working on certain products, like for example different editing programs, and it takes so long. You have to enter each product at a time, put the data in, and keep on putting the data in over and over again, and that takes time. So what I wanted to do was to create a product that you could actually just do in seconds. So what you would do is you would come here to your folder name. But the way you want to start doing this is, for example, I'm going to go here to my pictures, and I have a file named candles. So I would copy the path of this. I will copy the path, and then I would come here. I will come to my spreadsheet, and I would paste the path here. And the way you want to copy the path is that you will right click, copy as path, and then paste it here. And I've already have my path, so I don't have to copy it in there. And then there's also a product sheet, which we did. So that's pretty much it. You could put paths to your OneDrives, paths to a external USB. These are an external USB, and you could basically just put as many as you like here. I think it supports up to 1,000 paths or more. And then over here, what you would do is, let's say for example, I remember the numbers is 1001, 1002, 1003. So it easily places the data into the cell for you. And let's say you want to delete it, it's very simple. So let's do that again. All you have to do is put your data. I'll do up to 5, and I'm gonna do one that's like out of sync. I'm gonna do 1002 here, and I'm gonna take it out of here. So let's say you do that, you could actually sort it, and you could filter it. So let's just filter it, and you can see then you could export it as a PDF, a high-res PDF. And another thing you could do with this is basically, if you don't want this font, you want to make it bold, you want to change it, you can. And you could of course change this information here. Let's say you want to use another folder it would be, let's say I want to use AI art. This is art that I created using AI. So I think this is not a number but a name. And there we go. I don't have any data on my product list. So I'll just add my yoga 1 and drop it down. And then just do the same thing. And I'll change this to candle. Okay. So now we go back here. So it doesn't update it automatically. So what I would do is I would delete it. And then just enter it in. Or you just could copy and paste it. And you see nothing happens. This is good because I wanted to show you this. Since I changed this here, since I changed the folder, it's not going to acknowledge that it exists. So I'm just going to change it back, candles. I'm going to take that, I'm going to copy it and then paste it. And I have the candles there. So as you can see, it automatically populates this one also. Let me just re-put the data in. So is this the item? This is probably a different folder. Let's do these mock-ups, screenshots, AI art. Okay, there we go. I must have not spelled this right, so let's do this. Let's do yoga 2, and there you go, the picture pops up. Let me do yoga 1, and there you go. So that's pretty much it. If you see, I could create, let's say I had a list and I had already set up the numbers and I already set up the folder names and the products. And let's say I had all these products that I wanted to put into a line sheet. All I have to do is copy and paste. Just make sure you have the right folder because as you can see, all these showed up because they're the right folder. So I would change the folder again. So you could create line sheets in seconds. Let's say you have all your images in one dedicated folder. So this then will not be a problem because all your images will be in one dedicated folder. And I'm just gonna do this a little bit. And that's pretty much it. You don't have to worry about that. And there is no 1011, so that's fine. And I'll just add a yoga 1. Actually, let's do a copy. So that's pretty much it. You could create sheets really quickly. It comes with 5 tabs. Each one is a different color. This was a quick overview of the automated line sheet. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye. And I just want to say quickly, it's available. The link is available in the description. Bye.